Trichomonas vaginalis. Vaginal trichomoniasis is the most common and important cause of vaginitis in the childbearing period. Causative organism. It is caused by Trichomonas vaginalis, a pear-shaped unicellular flagellate protozoa. It measures 20 micro long and 10 micro wide, that is larger than a WBC. Mode of transmission. The organism is predominantly transmitted by sexual contact. The male harbors the infection in the urethra and prostate. The transmission may also be possible by toilet article from one woman to other or through examining gloves. The incubation period is 3 to 28 days. Pathology. In about 25% of women in the reproductive period, the parasites harbor in the vagina in the asymptomatic state. When the local defense is impaired during and after menstruation, after sexual stimulation and following illness, the pH of vagina is raised to 5.5 to 6.5. At this level of pH, the trichomonads thrive. The organisms usually lie in between the root and produce surface inflammatory reaction when the defense is lost. In about 75% cases, the organism can be isolated from the urethra, Skinner's tubule, or even from the Bartholin's glands. Signs. On examination, vaginal discharge. Thin, greenish yellow, frothy and offensive. The vulva is inflamed with evidences of pruritus. Vaginal examination may be painful. The vaginal walls become red and inflamed with multiple punctate hemorrhagic spots. Similar spots are also found over the mucosa of the portio vaginalis, part of the cervix, on speculum examination. This gives the appearance of a strawberry. Symptoms. Sudden, profuse and offensive vaginal discharge, often dating from the last menstruation. Irritation and itching of varying degrees within and around the introitus are common. Urinary symptoms include dysuria and frequency of micturition. Diagnosis. Identification of the trichomonas is done by hanging drop preparation. If found negative even on repeat examination, the confirmation may be done by culture. Culture of discharge collected by swabs in diamond TYM or Feinberg-Whittington medium. In suspected cases, gonococcal or monilial infection should be excluded. Treatment. The treatment is very much effective with metronidazole. Metronidazole 200 mg thrice daily by mouth is to be given for 1 week. A single dose regimen of 2 gram is an alternative. Tinidazole single dose 2 gram per orally is equally effective. The husband should be given the same treatment schedule for 1 week. Resistance to metronidazole is extremely rare. The husband should use condom during coitus irrespective of contraceptive practice until the wife is cured. Thank you all. Have a nice day.